Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to clear the cache of WhatsApp on your device. Clearing the cache can help improve the app's performance and free up some storage space. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you can manage all your device settings and preferences. Once you're in settings, look for the option that says Apps or Applications. The exact name may vary depending on your device, but it should be easy to find. After tapping on Apps, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Scroll through this list until you find WhatsApp. Once you locate it, go ahead and select it. This will open up the app's specific settings. Next, you'll want to tap on Storage. This section gives you information about how much space the app is using and offers options to manage that storage. Here, you'll see how much data is stored in the cache. Now, look for the option labeled Clear Cache. It's typically located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and a confirmation message may pop up asking if you really want to clear the cache. Confirm your choice, and just like that, you've cleared the cache for WhatsApp. Clearing the cache can help resolve issues like slow performance or glitches within the app, and it doesn't delete any of your messages or media. It's a great way to keep your WhatsApp running smoothly without losing any important data. After you've cleared the cache, you can exit the settings menu and return to WhatsApp. You should notice a slight improvement in the app's responsiveness. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your apps and optimizing your device. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother WhatsApp experience.